Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets simplicity and every project proves that style does not have to be expensive. Today I am going to show you how to take the simplest, cheapest pieces of wood and turn them into designer-looking decor that can completely elevate your home. Have you ever walked through a fancy store and thought, I could make that for less? Well, you are right, you can. The secret lies not in expensive materials but in clever design, good finishing, and attention to detail. So get ready to discover 5 designer dupes made from affordable wood that will give your space a luxurious and polished look, without spending much at all. Let us begin. 1. The minimal floating shelf. The first project is the minimalist floating shelf, a favorite in high-end interior design. Stores charge a lot for this simple piece because of its clean design and hidden support system. But you can make your own with just a few wooden planks and some brackets. The secret is the finish. Choose a smooth sanded surface, apply a matte stain and seal it with a clear coat. That subtle matte texture instantly gives a premium look. Use these shelves to display books, candles, or small decor items. They bring a modern yet warm touch to any wall. 2. The framed wall mirror. Our second project is inspired by boutique hotel decor. A framed wood mirror that looks elegant and custom-made. A simple rectangular mirror can be upgraded by creating a wooden frame from pine or even pallet pieces. The trick is to stain it in a walnut or espresso tone, then add a small layer of wax or oil finish for richness. Hang it in your hallway or living room, and it will look like a luxury designer piece even though it cost almost nothing to make. 3. The designer tray. Project 3 is a modern serving tray or centerpiece tray. You have probably seen similar ones in lifestyle stores with high price tags. To create your own, cut a flat wooden base, attach raised edges, and finish it with a soft satin varnish. Add metallic handles for a designer touch. This piece works beautifully on coffee tables, dressers, or dining areas. The combination of metal and smooth wood instantly gives a high-end vibe. 4. The geometric wall art. The fourth idea brings an artistic statement to your room: geometric wood wall art. Designer stores sell these pieces for a premium because they blend minimal design with craftsmanship. All you need are small cut pieces of wood glued together in clean, repeated shapes, triangles, diamonds, or chevron patterns. You can paint or stain alternating pieces for contrast, creating a striking look that feels modern and professional. Once you hang it on a neutral wall, it will completely change the atmosphere of the space. 5. The accent table. Finally, Project 5, a small accent or side table. Many designer brands feature rustic modern tables made from simple wood with smooth edges. You can use reclaimed wood or leftover pieces to make the tabletop, then attach short legs or metal hairpins. Apply a natural stain or a matte black paint finish for contrast. This single piece instantly looks like boutique furniture. It adds charm, warmth, and a sense of purpose to your space. The secret behind the look. So what makes these projects look so expensive even when they are not? It comes down to 3 simple things: proportion, texture, and finish. Keep your lines clean and simple. Avoid over-decorating. Use light sanding to create a smooth, professional surface. And always finish your project with a soft matte or satin coating. It gives a natural sheen without the plastic look of glossy finishes. Also, remember that lighting can make or break your presentation. Place your wood decor under warm, soft light. It brings out depth, color, and texture, making everything appear more luxurious. Why this works? Wood is timeless. It has a natural grain, a warm tone, and an authenticity that no synthetic material can match. That is why even cheap wood, when treated with care, can look stunning. Whether you are decorating a small apartment, your living room, or even creating items to sell, these designer dupes give you style and profit potential. Think of them as your creative investment, the kind that keeps giving back. Your turn. Now it is your turn to bring these ideas to life. Look around your space. Which corner could use a fresh touch? Which wall could shine with a simple shelf or geometric design? You already have everything you need: a few tools, your creativity, and some inexpensive wood. Start small, build with care, and remember that design is not about cost. It is about creativity, texture, and the personal story you bring to every piece. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more simple, affordable, and stylish DIY wood projects. Click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Share your favorite project in the comments, and let us know which one you are planning to try first. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep proving that beauty and creativity do not have to be expensive.